Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid serum before makeup. First, always start with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any impurities, dirt, or residual makeup. After cleansing, gently pat your skin with a clean towel, but don't dry it completely. Leaving your skin slightly damp is crucial, as hyaluronic acid works best by drawing moisture from its surroundings into your skin, ensuring maximum hydration. Now it's time to apply the star product. Dispense just 2 to 3 drops of your hyaluronic acid serum onto your fingertips. A little goes a long way with this powerful hydrator. Gently pat the serum evenly across your entire face and neck, avoiding harsh rubbing. The goal is to press the product into your skin, allowing it to absorb naturally and begin its work of plumping and smoothing. After applying the serum, give it a moment to fully absorb into your skin. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll feel your skin becoming noticeably softer and more supple. Next, apply your regular moisturizer. This step is vital because the moisturizer acts as a protective layer, sealing in all the wonderful hydration the hyaluronic acid has provided, ensuring your skin stays plump and dewy. With your hyaluronic acid and moisturizer absorbed, your skin is now an incredibly smooth and hydrated canvas, perfectly prepped for makeup. You'll notice your foundation glides on effortlessly, blending seamlessly for a flawless finish. This routine not only enhances your makeup's appearance, but also helps it last longer throughout the day, giving you a radiant, plump, and healthy-looking complexion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.